5G, 5G, 5G. 5G has now finally arrived in India and many telecom operators have also started their services. Well, speaking of Airtel, Airtel has initiated its 5G services in 8 cities across India. So if you are an Airtel user, then watch this video till the end because we will tell you as to whether you're still using the old 4G network or 5G network, and if you're still using the 4G network, we will tell you how you can activate the 5G network in your smartphone. So first of all, to use the 5G plus network on your smartphone, the device needs to be compatible with 5G. Also, 5G SIM cards are not required. If you must be wondering, your existing 4G SIM will get upgraded to 5G. So now let's further take a look at the steps as to how you can check if you can use 5G network on your smartphone or not. So for this, simply you have to download the Airtel Thanks app, then open the app and then you will see a banner of 5G Plus asking you to check if your phone is 5G enabled. Then you tap on that banner and it will open to a different page. And then Airtel will now check if you are in a 5G ready city or not. So if your 5G handset is 5G compatible and it has all the latest software update as well, then the company will ask you to go to the settings network page on your mobile and make sure that 5G is chosen as the preferred network. So once you follow the steps mentioned, you can expect the 5G network to work on your phone technically. And now you must be wondering as to how to activate that 5G network on your smartphone. Well, for that, as we told, you have to go to the settings menu on your phone, click on the connections or mobile network option, and then in the next step, you have to tap on network mode to choose your 5G, 4G, 3G or 2G option. Then go back to the home screen to see 5G network mode on the top right corner of your smartphone screen. So these were some of the simple steps with which you can get to know that whether you're using the old 4G in your smartphone or the new 5G in town. Well, for more such technology related videos, you can simply log into our website India.com and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.